market for Annapolis is down 8.7% month over month as prices are up 8.3% from last year to $519,500. It's Friday, May 13th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Days on the market until contract moved down from 18 to 15 days. Annapolis inventory has 106 homes for sale with 30 new properties listed for sale since last report. Home prices in 21403 rose 19.1% to $542,000. 21401 increased 5.3% to $541,000. The prices in 21409 rose 1.2% to $480,000. Rental inventory dipped further to only 16 available properties at a median $2,750 per month. If you are thinking about buying a home, be sure to get our Spring Home Buyer Guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for May 13th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.